Try to close my eyes, clear my mind, just listen to the wildflowers grow. Such whispers on the breeze, they don't come easy now. Over all this noise, I spend my youth among the pines. They used to sing a tune so fine, and the wind moved like an echo, carrying their voices. Well, I saw it in a dream, monuments to trees, as the air we breathe turned our lungs to dust, and the redwoods so tall in all their awe began to rust. With no bend and sway at all, oh, that ancient dance was lost, and the wind moved like an echo, and it sighed with every gust. Well, someday I hope to find that land of honey wine, where the coffee grows on the white oak trees, and those sugar-coated mountains in the spring began to melt into the sweetest streams, reach not the starlight and the sea, together form eternity. And the wind moved like an echo as the world drops soft to sleep.
When you're out walking and there's no one near you, but a voice keeps calling and you hear your name. It's not the leaves or the whispering breezes, it's me that's calling. just dreaming that things are changing and that they're building a factory tall, and the young ones need again in your reach. But I still need you the most of all. Oh, can you hear me? Oh, can you hear me as you roll through